Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you how you can add notes to a contact or even an opportunity right through a task. So as you can see, we're in Command and we're under our Tasks tab over here on the left-hand side. And when you have a task that's linked either to an opportunity or a contact, you have the ability, like a little shortcut, to add a note either to the contact or opportunity from right here within the task tab without having to toggle over to an opportunities, search for the notes section, add the note manually. Same with contacts. So it just saves you a few steps while you're working on your tasks to be able to do this. So let me show you first how to add the note to an opportunity. So you can see your tasks here, and you can use your filters if you'd like to find your tasks that are linked to an opportunity right here under the link to section, and we'll find the ones linked to an opportunity and click apply. And you can see right here in the link to column, it gives you the opportunity name, as well as the two little hands shaking that again indicates that this is an opportunity, just like the opportunities tab over here on the left. To be able to add a note to one of these tasks, you would simply come over here to the right and click on the three dots, the little ellipses, and choose Add Note. It will give you this pop-up and let you choose the title and the description. It already populates the name of the task as the title. That might help you be able to reference this later to see where it came from. And you can add any description you want. Again, you can edit that title too if you need to as well. So we'll just go ahead and add a description and click Add Note. Now that just gave you a green banner at the top, letting you know that that note has been added to that opportunity. And if you ever want to go check on that, you can click on the opportunity name here to travel over to the opportunity in a new tab. Come over to the Notes tab, and it will show you that this now has a note added, gives you the date, and gives you the task name that it was associated with. That's how you would add a note to an opportunity through the Tasks tab. Coming back to our tasks, let me show you how to do this for a task that's actually linked to a contact. So we'll clear our filter and go into filters, and we're going to look for the tasks that are linked to a contact and click apply filters. Now in the link to column, you will see the contact's name, and it shows a little head in a little square, just like your contacts tab over here on the left, again, indicating to you that this is actually a contact and not an opportunity that this task is linked to. To add a note to that particular contact's profile, again, you'd come to the three ellipses on the far right and choose Add Note. You'll get the same pop-up box. The task name will appear as the note title. However, you can easily put your cursor in that field and make a change if you need to. And then you can add the description. Once you're done, click Add Note. Now you get that green banner of success at the top, letting you know that that note has been added to your contact's profile. You can travel over to your contact if you would like to see that note within the contact profile. You can manually go over here to the Contacts tab or just simply click on that contact's name here. It will open a new tab. It goes ahead and opens the contact's profile for you as well, as you can see here. And on the far right-hand side, you can go to Notes and notice that that note has now been added here to the contact's profile with a timestamp and date. That's how you would add a note through a task to either an opportunity or a contact. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with your KW platforms, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.